Ever felt utterly lost in your Minecraft Pay world, wandering aimlessly without a clue where you are? Well, fear not, fellow Minecrafters. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the secret to pinpoint accuracy displaying your coordinates in Minecraft Pocket Edition. First, tap the pause button at the top of your screen to access the game menu. Now, look for the settings icon, it looks like a gear, and tap on it to open the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of tabs on the left-hand side. Tap on the game tab. It usually has a picture of a controller next to it. Scroll down in the game settings until you find the heading World Options. Under this, you'll see a setting called Show Coordinates. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. It should turn blue. Exit the settings menu by tapping the back arrow at the top. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see three numbers: your X, Y, and Z coordinates. These numbers update in real time as you move around your world. Use these coordinates to find your way back home, share specific locations with friends, or precisely plan your builds. That's it, you're now a coordinates-savvy Minecraft Pay explorer. Happy crafting!